Hello, everyone. Welcome here to listen to another interesting story about a blue scarf. The story is about a girl named Jasmine who had a beautiful blue scarf. One day, Jasmine was strolling through the bustling streets of her town, her blue scarf fluttering gently in the cool breeze. As she walked, she noticed a little boy sitting on a bench, his face downcast. His name was Tommy, and he looked very sad. Jasmine approached him and asked, "What's wrong, Tommy?" Tommy looked up, tears glistening in his eyes. "I lost my favorite toy car," he sniffled. Jasmine felt sorry for him. She remembered how much her blue scarf always comforted her whenever she felt sad or lonely. So, without hesitation, she took off her beloved scarf and handed it to Tommy. "Here, Tommy. This scarf always makes me feel better. Maybe it will help you feel better too," Jasmine said with a warm smile. Tommy's eyes widened with astonishment. "Are you sure?" he asked, his voice filled with disbelief. Jasmine nodded. "Yes, I'm sure. It's yours now." Tommy's face lit up with joy as he wrapped the blue scarf around his neck. Instantly, he felt a sense of comfort and warmth wash over him. "Thank you, Jasmine. You're the best," Tommy exclaimed, his smile reaching from ear to ear. Jasmine smiled back, feeling happy to have made Tommy's day a little brighter. Without her blue scarf, she felt a bit chilly, but seeing Tommy's happiness warmed her heart. From that day on, whenever Jasmine saw someone in need of comfort, she remembered the kindness she had shown to Tommy and offered them a helping hand. And though she no longer had her blue scarf, she realized that the warmth of giving was far more fulfilling than anything material. So, the blue scarf became a symbol of kindness and generosity in Jasmine's town, reminding everyone that a small act of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life. And though Jasmine no longer wore the scarf around her neck, its spirit lived on in her compassionate heart.